Hello, my name is David Gordon of Aspire Fine Homes, and welcome to part 4 in our series of covering stages of construction. After you have finished the MEP phase of construction, the next step is to install the insulation and drywall into your home. Today we will go in depth on how each of these steps are completed and why they are crucial to the building process. The insulation in your home provides resistance to temperature variations and not only lowers your heating and cooling costs, but also improves the comfort level in your home. We use BIBS insulation on the exterior walls of our homes, which stands for blown-in blanket system. BIBS insulation is environmentally sustainable, versatile, and a dependable way to insulate your home or building that involves blowing specially manufactured fiberglass blowing wool into cavities behind a secured netting. This form of insulation is thermally efficient and cost-effective and has the added benefit of greater energy efficiency, reduction in noise, and is a much quicker installation process than other types of insulation. With the blown-in method, the wood studs of the home will be covered in a fabric and stapled in place. Then a hose is inserted into the fabric that will blow in the fiberglass wool insulation. This process will be repeated throughout the entire home on each exterior wall. Drywall is the key component material used to create walls and ceilings of your home. Just like the insulation, drywall helps your home retain temperature, helping lowering heating and cooling costs and making your home more comfortable. First, the drywall will be measured and cut to the appropriate length. Then it will be placed on the wall and screwed into place. Any excess drywall will be removed and discarded. The next step is to tape and float the drywall. Once each piece of drywall is secured in place, a layer of mud or joint compound is applied to each of the joints. Then a mesh tape is applied over the first layer and another layer of mud is applied. After it has enough time to dry, then it's time to sand each area until smooth. Thank you all for watching. We really hope this video will help you on your home building journey. If you want to see more, please subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're searching for more information on building a custom home, check out some of our other videos. Or if you're just looking for a custom home builder here in Houston, then visit our website at aspirefinehomes.com. Thanks again for watching.